Hi guys, and first of all we want to say a huge thank you to Kiddyland Toys for sending Tanya this cool package for free. We can't wait to unbox it and show you what's inside. We already took a sneak peek inside and we know what's inside. Okay Tanya, are you ready to open it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Bum 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 bum.
Oh my god! Tiny magic magnets.
Look guys, we have mini magical magnets.
Look, this is a Ziploc bag.
Yes, we can keep them inside there. Okay, so let's see everything on the table. Ooh, they are so many in a tiny bag. Whoa. Okay, so look, we also have a bag where we can keep them.
Yeah.
It's with a squirrel. Okay, so this is going to be really useful. We have alphabet stickers, Tanya, look.
Yeah. That's so cool. I love it.
Magical magnets. And we have how to build. We have instructions. Ooh, this is going to be really helpful for Tanya.
Yeah.
Look, Tanya. And you can also make a car. What?
Yeah, I know how to build a car.
Do you?
Yeah.
Okay, we will have to see.
Yeah.
So here is everything really organized on the table. That way we can see everything that we have. Tanya still needs to take this out. These look like tiny windows. Here we have wheels. So cool, Tanya. Ooh, I can't wait to see what you are going to build. We have triangles and squares and all of these cute shapes.
Let's take everything out.
Okay, so this is definitely a system for the Ferris wheel, and we have some tiny windows here that we can put on the car, or maybe, I'm not sure, we can make like a building. We will definitely have to see. Okay, Tanya, so you can create something from the booklet. What do you want to create? Do we have a car? Let's see. Look, here we have some examples. We have also a few models here. So, okay, Tanya, you want to build a car?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get started.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, Tanya, great job.
Yeah.
Look at this. I wasn't even in the room.
This is how you make the window. Oh.
Look, guys. Yay! We did it. So it did collapse in the beginning. It's definitely a bit harder for Tanya to do it alone. Maybe I can do it alone, but she can definitely need some help at this age. But she did such a good job. Great job, Tanya.
Yeah.
Okay, so Tanya is creating something there. Let's see what she will make.
I'm done.
Oh my gosh, look. Oh, wow, that's interesting. Is it here?
No.
Oh, you created that one all by yourself.
Yeah.
Wow, Tanya, that looks like a turtle.
That's a frog.
It's a frog?
Yeah.
Okay.
We're jumping.
Oh my god, look. Boing, boing, boing. Ah! Oh my gosh, guys. I was in the kitchen and Tanya just called me and look. Oh my gosh, Tanya. What? She's so creative. I'm so impressed, Tanya. What? And it's not even here. Great job. So look, guys, there's endless possibilities to create and play with them. Oh my god, I'm in shock. What?
That's a sun and spinning.
It's like a sun.
Yeah.
Cool.
This is how you make, guys. First, you need to connect both of them. Not all of them. You need together. And now put it here. And both of them together. Yeah. Okay.
Wow, great job. You really make it.
Yeah.
Cool.
When you spin it a little faster, it's gonna make a circle. Look, this is a clock. It's moving. When you do it so like this, it's not following this. Look, I made the visit spinner.
A fidget spinner. It's so cool, Tanya.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J.
Good job, Tanya. Look, guys, this can also be very educational. So much fun. Awesome, boss. Alphabets. Woo! So once we are done playing, we can store them inside the bag.
Thank you, Kiddyland Toys. Hi, Emma.
Thank you so much, Kiddyland Toys. We had so much fun, and this can be super educational. I love it.
Yay!
Tanya actually really likes to build things with magnets, so I am sure she's going to play so much with this. Okay, guys, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe with the bell, follow us on Instagram at Tanya's Toys Review, and we will see you soon. Bye, guys.
Bye.